Hi, I am Cordell. I am a panel fabricator for the Rindt vehicle design. I've recently I just finished the CHR. The things I've done for that, we dropped the roof panel with 2.5 inches, reinforced all the structural, extend the rear quarters and the front wings, modified and matched the bumpers with quarters and front wings, modify wood lid, and yeah, a couple of more other nice bits.
Hi, I'm Gavin and I'm head of paint here at Rindt. So I'm going to talk a little bit about the paint that we're going to be doing on the CHR, which is the next project that we're coming up. So we're doing a full Noval Classic paint system on this, start to finish. So in total there's going to be about 11 coats of paint on it, from bare metal straight up to the clear coat finish. We're going to go for jet black on the first one. And then because we're going to take it to the next level, once it's all cleared we're going to flat it back and then we're going to flow coat it as well. So that will just give it an extra depth of paint and it's just going to look absolutely stunning. Could be next level.
Right, here we are in the engine room and we're going to have a little chat about the 4 litre engine for the CHR. We've got bespoke crankshaft, conch rods and some camshafts we've had made with a supercharger on it, so we should be developing around about 500 horsepower. So Circs are doing a 3D printing of some charge coolers for us, which will be the next stage, and hopefully we should get a very fast engine out of it.
So, wanted to tell you a bit about this. This looks not dissimilar from a Fuchs wheel. Back in the day, Ferdinand Porsche went to the board, presented this, if you like, being an angular Fuchs, and the petal Fuchs that we all know so well. He preferred this wheel, but the board convinced him to go with what is now a legendary wheel. I want to bring this back. We're sponsored by Jonathan, Group 4 Wheels. He's come up with this idea, and we're pushing it a bit further. So on our CHR car, in chrome with black, we will have this wheel in a 3-piece construction, obviously very large, front and rear, but a real hark back to the period, the 50s and 60s, when, you know, things were designed by drawings, not by CAD, and people had a passion for it. This I'm passionate about. I'm really looking forward to this wheel.